Let's make a super cute s'mores themed notebook. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, yes, I'm using that puffy paint again. I'm also using some adhesive back cork from Dollar Tree, a composition notebook, and then this is True Block full sheet labels. Now I printed a couple like this, but I also have a couple like this. I made these in Canva. I also have two blank of the mailing labels, and you want to cut them 9.5 by 7.5. I'm using my corner rounder. You don't have to round the corners on one side, but I do because I think it looks better. You could use a regular corner rounder, it's fine, but you're going to round the corners of two of your smaller 9.5 by 7.5 pieces. All right, so this is how we do a normal notebook, right? This is our cute little s'more face. Yes, all of these graphics are available in one big bundle in my Etsy store. Blessing Craft Therapy is the name of my store there. All right, so we're just going to adhere them on there. I open the cover, I pull in the corners, we adhere that, and then we just fold in each of the sides. I just fold that in, adhere it, fold the top over, adhere it. Easy peasy, right? This is easy peasy stuff. Now, if you don't want to cover the inside, then don't. But look how cute that. Look how cute. I like covering the insides, but if you don't and you want all that info, don't cover it. But there you go. So these are what the regular ones look like. Now, I did the same thing, except these other ones only have the face or the words. And I'm going to take my cork, and I'm going to take a piece, the backer off, and then we're going to adhere it to our notebook. Friends, do you see where I'm going? They look like graham crackers. Now, I cut off the excess, and you see how I put leave a little bit of an edge by the binding, just so that it makes it easier for you. I'm just telling you, it adheres better and it makes it easier. I'm just saying. And I did the same thing on the bottom, and here I'm just trimming it. You'll see mine. I made mine for my family, our reunion. We do this every year, but you don't have to put the inside part. Then I took my fabric puffy paint, and I'm doing a nice thick bead all along the top of our cork. Again, we're making it look like a s'more, and I'm so excited I can't even stand it. Are you ready? And I know some of you are probably sick of this, but it's okay. It's all right. And now we're going to just tap our notebook so that fabric paint is encouraged to drip. Oh, look at how cute. You ready? Oh, look at how cute it is. It looks like a s'more. And I did the same thing with this one says s'more stuff to remember. I love puns. Yes, I'm corny like that. I can't help it. But we did the same exact thing. We took our puffy paint. Again, I got this fabric puffy paint at, I think, Michael's, but you could get them almost anywhere. I think even the Dollar Tree. And I did the same thing. Do a nice big thick bead, then tap down your notebook so that it'll drip. And look at how, oh my gosh, it is so cool. Now listen, I let it dry for a good 24 hours. You can use something. Yes, I was excited and I was clapping. Couldn't help myself. But look at how cute. This is dry. Can you believe it? Yes, stay tuned. Will show you how I made the bookmarks and how I made the pens. I'm so excited. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.